Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Marissa, and in today's video I'll be molding up my bed. Well, this is kind of a part 2, like when I do some cleaning. So I'll be molding up my beds, and I have some cassava that I'll be timing up for the pluck. And I'll be doing some cleaning up of the fence because I'm redoing the garden. I'll be planting like vegetables back and all those stuff. So I want to take you guys on the journey with me and see how I plant stuff and different stuff that I use and all of that. I don't want to do too much of yapping in the video. So right now we started to like mold in the ground. Right, so we're gonna mold up like, it's about 7 beds we're gonna be working on, and I'll be planting like different stuff on there, like pepper, tomato, sweet pepper, and multiple stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna continue like doing the beds, then I'm gonna start doing the cassava. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I have these 5 thymes, right? And it had these that is like overpowering the thyme. So I'm gonna be cleaning them out now. So right here I have some leaf alive. In some country they just call it wonders of the world. This have so many names, right? If you're watching this video, tell me what you usually call it in your country. So I have a lot of them because they usually grow by the leaf. And I clean them here out, so these ain't need like much cleaning right now. So these gonna stay like this. Like for now, I'm gonna leave that right so. But the thing is that the thyme is covering the leaf alive. So I'm thinking about like transfer the leaf alive in the back, because I don't want the thyme be over the leaf alive. I want to get the sun and everything and the nutrients that they're supposed to get. So I might move this eventually, right? And over here I have my rosemary tree, and I have abandoned my rosemary tree totally, but this tree here could come back. Start the once in a while for me, please, 22. So this rosemary tree can come back. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna clean it up, then I'm gonna, as you guys can see, like you see, a couple rosemary still trying to strive, right? So I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna mold it, and I'm gonna keep like wetting it and all of that stuff. And at the root I might put like some volcanic ash to like help soften up the root so that it can strive more better. Yeah. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna get the cassava sticks and I'm gonna replant my cassava. So I'm just gonna show a short clip on how I do it. I show you guys how I usually like plant like my cassavas. So after cutting them, we're gonna plant the sticks, right? We're gonna cut them like in, well, I usually cut them in sizes like this, and I'm gonna continue doing that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plant my cassava. So I'm just making a patch and then put them two inside of it. And I'm gonna just like show a recap of the beds that I already finished. And then come on, let me show up to them here and just put them in. People have said they them certain feet, but I don't make them no certain feet. Now the deeper you make them, the harder to pluck. So I usually just like rest them in like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I have 2 more beds that I'm going to mow and that I'm gonna dig. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, and see you guys on the next video where I think I'll be replanting and do all of those stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm out this thing.